What's up, butterflies? It's Allegra Magella. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Today we're going to take this 3X men's shirt from Walmart and turn it into a very fitted and flattering cowl neck dress. Super cute, gives me Miami day vibes. You can even make it night vibes with a cute jacket. So let's stop with the chit chat and let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is rip out the back portion of this dress, and this will become the front of the dress. Save the front two plackets of this shirt for your back pieces. Once we have the front piece, we're going to fold over around the top and create a nice little neckline for the cowl neck. And I'm going to then use a dress that fits me well and cut out the shape, adding an extra 2 inches because this dress is fitted because the fabric is very stretchy. But the shirt is not stretchy, so we got to add our own little stretch, okay? So once that's together, we're going to then fold the top portion right sides together and sew down those sides so it's nice and clean. Taking a skirt that fits me well, I actually made this in my Reformation haul. Go check it out. This is the Robbie skirt. But I'm just going to follow that initial curve of this skirt and then go up about 5 inches to add back area to the dress. So this is going to be 1/2 of the back piece. I'm going to pin that piece on the other side of the shirt and use it as a guide for the other half of my back portion of the dress. Once I have those pieces, I'm going to pin them right sides together against the front of the dress and do a straight stitch all the way down each side. Using the sleeve, I'm going to cut 2 strips that are 1.5 inches wide each and about 23 inches long. Once I have those strips, I'm going to press the raw edges inside and do the fold over method to attach it to the top portion of the dress and do a straight stitch down. Sorry in advance, but I was too busy watching Shameless to realize I didn't get a good view of this, but I'm just going to create a facing for the back pieces of the dress and do a straight stitch down the top of that facing. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and grab my invisible zipper and press it out so that it's going to be nice and invisible. And once I do that, I'm just going to pin it to the back sides of the shirt, you know, the way you put in a zipper, and do a straight stitch down. And then I'm going to fold over my facing and sew it against the zipper so that when I flip it over, it's nice and clean. Make sure you press it so it's neat and beautiful. Finally, we're going to just attach our straps. I'm just going to fold up the bottom raw edge so that it's hidden. And then I'm going to attach it about 4 inches inside of the back of the dress and do a back stitch and stitch over it again and another back stitch to make sure it's secure, and we are all done. Here is our before and after. I love it so much. Like I said, this gives me Miami Day vibes, you know, out on the strip, going to the beach. You know, it's just very chill, but also kind of extra. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, butterflies. Don't forget to subscribe.